Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. If I'm audible to you, just let me know. Vaishnav sir, thank you so much for the first like. Just waiting for others to join. Not sure if people are in holiday mood or anything as such. Okay. Now traders, basically I'm considering this area as a seller's pressure zone. Already in the crypto community group I have mentioned, right? Saying that above bullish trade above 83,100 because this is our selling pressure zone. Okay, I've discussed about that already in the group, so hope you guys have seen that message. Now in the comment section, just let me know what is your view about the market so that we can discuss further. Lakshmi Babu sir, good evening. Suresh sir, welcome to the live stream. I am Dana, good evening. Missed the call, went out. Okay. Srinivas sir, good evening, welcome to the live stream. In the comment section, guys, let me know what is your view about the market. What do you think is the next probability? Will market move towards the upside or downside? Well, now let's quickly look at the global market. Dow Jones is kind of negative, gone minus 0.66%, so minus 0.7%, and S&P Nasdaq still we have not got the update. The market was falling. After a pullback we can look for opportunity, or at the breakout we can look at, right? So two opportunities I had discussed. For many people at the breakout, if they would have entered, it would have been safe, but for me I consider 382 level as a strong support level in the market. So this was the initial risk reward, and continuously market started to move towards the upside. It gave a moment of close to 1300 points, but for me my trailing stop loss was somewhere here. In free telegram group also you can see trailing stop loss was here. This trailing stop loss hit, and then I was able to capture that 1000 points moment. How to join crypto group? Sir, in the pinned comment, first comment of this video, you see that there is a link to open account with Delta Exchange. You can do that. Voice getting breaks, sir. Sometimes even I will have that issue. What you do is close this video and again come back to the live stream. Okay, as soon as you close, that issue usually gets resolved. Bull trading, let me know if that sorted out your issue. I will look for bullish trade when market goes above 81,900. 81,900 range. Oh, when it comes to 81,900. So this is a good range itself, right? Even I'm considering, okay, in case market comes to this zone, bullish trade, or at the upper level, if it gives a breakout, one bullish trade when market goes above 83,100. So within this range, I know this is a seller pressure zone, and also I was putting the risk reward calculator and looking for this trade, exactly like what Babu sir was saying. Small stop loss, and for this, sorry, here I was looking at small stop loss, and can I look for 1:2 risk reward up to the support is what I was thinking about. So movement is already happening from selling pressure zone. Already we had discussed that in the group. Avoid buy at seller zone, right? This is the seller zone. Anyone would have avoided buy, they would have avoided getting into this kind of trap. Hope all is well with you. Yeah, all is well with me. Happy evening, sir. Yeah, so what is the minimum investment required to start with 25,000 you can start, because you need to deploy. Initially you are in the learning phase, right? You can just trade with 10 quantity also, 50 quantity also, and initial stage for first 10 trades, don't care about what is the amount if you're making losses. Okay, now why did I find this is a seller pressure zone? Was first is this wick, right? So continuous selling was there here. Second, market, it was correcting nicely, it broke this level, this level. Anyone who entered bearish trade, all their stop loss was hunted at this level. Next seller is at on top. Only if market goes above 83,100, we'll be looking for bullish trade. That was the initial plan. Actually, in seller's pressure zone, even I could have entered. I was explaining what to do. Hi sir, good evening. Please show me how to plot Fibonacci retracement with swing high and low. I should use also, does 5.5 level always be considered as support or resistance? Not necessary always. Now you see market has corrected nicely, right? So this was the recent swing from where market moved towards the upside. So from swing low to swing high, if you draw the Fibonacci level, market did not respect 0.5 level at all. It continuously showed bearishness. It's going above 0.618 level, sorry, below 0.618 level. Now if the buying pressure has started here, right, if these buyers are strong, maybe they will re-enter to push the market towards the upside. That is my understanding. But this candle is very strong. Along with that, you can see the US market all have opened negative because of long weekend also. This can be a factor. So looking at the strong candle, quickly we cannot come into any conclusion. Please like the stream all. Thank you so much, Shilamuthu ma'am. 51 people watching the live stream, only 13 likes. Support the channel traders. That is when even I'll be interested to, make regular videos like this, and also I'll have more interest to share regular updates for people who's interested. Can you please show me how to place stop loss in Delta Exchange? For that, first you need to place an entry. We will see in case any entry setup, whatever I get, I will show you. Okay. Also, there is a video which I have done already explaining all the basic related to how to place stop loss, target, and all those things. If you're very new to crypto market, I would highly recommend you to go and check out that video. Let me quickly see if I can find that video. Okay. Always, this has been a frequent question what people keep asking. So check out this video, Abhishek sir. I've shared the link. You see, I've shared the link. See if you are interested. See, market has given a breakout. It has attracted people. Buyers are trapped. Market has corrected. From here, market moved nicely towards the upside to hunt the stop loss of weak players. Now it has given a breakdown. It has given more confidence to bearish traders. Actually, we might look for bullish trade, but US market is kind of negative. That's the only concern I'm thinking about. Should I go or should I not go for this setup? Because as long as market is staying below the seller's pressure zone, should we really look into that? This can even be a pullback, right? It can even be a pullback before the correction. Only small risk trades we can take if we are going opposite in the buying side. Risk has to be what? Stop loss can be what, 200 points or so, right? That can be the maximum risk. With that, you have to try to capture 400 points. This candle is very strong, right? So I'm not, even though I feel okay, this buyers can re-enter and push the market towards the upside, we have not entering the bullish trade as of now. Let me switch to 3 minutes time frame. How much range is this? Around 430 points. We cannot take after risk we cannot take after such a big move. 300 points is okay, but still somewhat looking at this candle, I'm not getting that interest. Market can be bullish above this area, 83,100, and it can attract some buyers and give a breakdown. And if it goes below this level, then there is an important supporting zone which is 81,000 psychological level. So here what market reacts, based on that only we can say market is completely bearish if it goes below 81,000, because you can see this level. If I switch to, let's say, 1 hour time frame, market is holding on to this level for quite some time. Support 1, breakdown failure, again this area acted as support, again this area acted as support. It's not able to breach 81,000 range. So only previously it gave a false breakdown and it moved towards the upside. So that is one concern. Now someone asked me how to draw Fibonacci, right? From recent swing low to swing, market is respecting 618 level. This can be an ideal range, but looking at this candle, not just randomly we cannot look for entry. Here market has come above 0.236 level. If you're entering bullish trade also, stop loss has to not go below this. For this, target can be, let's say, 400-500 points, but this is moving towards the upside. Let it move. Let's see what it does about this area, or is it going to show any bearishness. Based on that, small stop loss, bigger target opportunity if we have, we will try to capture traders. Excuse me, I have not read any message, recent messages. Can you please explain how to place stop loss in Delta Exchange? That I will do once I look for any setup. Krishna Nadar sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. In that link, can you get into only Delta, not in WhatsApp group? We don't have a WhatsApp group specifically for crypto. We have only a Telegram group. That is where I'm sharing all this updates, right? All the setups I'm sharing here. So if you're interested, you can open account with Delta Exchange. On the screen you're seeing one WhatsApp number, right? To that number you have to share your Delta Exchange user ID. Then we will give you access to the group. Lakshmi Narayana Reddy sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. Good evening. Come on traders, 62 people watching the live stream, only 30 likes. At least match the views equal to the likes. Sorry, match the likes equal to the views. See, completely it is kind of bearish, right? So should we, usually after that people might cover their short, market can move towards the upside. Maybe from 2.3 it can go up to 1.7, 1.5 like that, and later correct. So this might be a pullback. All the stop loss hunting is done as long as it goes above 83,100. Focus will be little on the bearish side from my end. Now some of you might say, okay, I'm bullish, can I enter? As long as market is staying below 0.236 level, let's say long position, you're entering here, stop loss is here, and target you can plan somewhat up to this zone. Okay, I'm not planning anything right now because this candle is very strong, so I'm avoiding. But who's taking bullish trade, this is one opportunity for you. If you want, you can consider. Okay, market is respecting 618, showing some bullishness, slight bullishness. So if it moves towards the upside, you can capture the moment. Okay, that is the setup in case you are bullish about the market. Sir, Anuj sir, I've shared one video with you. Okay, please watch that video In that basics about how much lot size you need to consider, all those things I have discussed. Even for Ethereum, everything. Chance for the market becoming bullish is low until it gives a clarity on 2nd April with respect to tariff imposed by Trump. See, Trump imposing tariff on other countries, definitely it will affect our market. Market is kind of volatile and things like that. Yes, we understand that. To other countries, what they're going to do, all those things also matters. Because of that, people might have issues with trusting the government and things like that. I mean, US, all right? We are not because of the stunts what he has done earlier. 2nd of April, he might keep quiet. Based on that, they would have pushed the market. Let the news come. Based on that, what reaction we get, we will see on 2nd. But now, simply wherever we get 1:2, 1:3 risk reward, we will try to capture. Okay. Lakshmi Narayana Reddy sir, good evening. Sir, how to join Indian stock market Telegram? Indian stock market Telegram to join, you can, the link will be there in any of our videos. You can have a look at that, or maybe let's say I share the link in now itself with you. This is our free Telegram group link. Okay. There are many fake channels with our name. Only use the link what I share here to join the free Telegram for Indian market. The link is shared. Do you suggest investment in Ethereum? What and where you are investing? I've been investing only in gold from last 1.5 years. I've been telling people in the group everywhere. In my YouTube channel, you will also see a video where I have explained I am buying this one, gold bees. So gold bees has given a very good profit for me. I took bearish trade with 50 lots at 82,540 and booked at 81,840. Okay, somewhere at this zone you have entered and captured a nice moment. Good for you, sir. See, continuously bearishness, that was one of the reason I had this concern of taking bullish trade here. Now someone asked me how to place entry, right? I'm going to place one entry. Okay, if you want, first we will see the moment. Okay, let's enter with less quantity. I chose 50 quantity here, placed an order, and quickly what we will do, we'll right click, copy the price, move down, positions, add stop loss. I will mention here, we'll put the stop loss. So quickly after you put the stop loss, it will reflect here. Okay, this can convert to W pattern also whatsoever, but we will see. For me, that's why to test, if I take an entry here, stop loss here, 1:1.7 is not that great, to reduce my risk a bit. Okay, so this setup I have taken. See, market, it moved up, this continuous red candle, it was not giving confidence to enter a bullish trade. Above this level, I've been saying it is selling pressure zone. Here I thought of looking at an opportunity, but buyers was not that strong, so we just decided, okay, let's go bearish after looking at the continuation. So that's a simple setup. Can we take trade? Yeah, market is near my entry price itself. If you're interested, you can take the trade. I will join now. Sir, I must say that your analysis and trade setup are excellent. It has helped me a lot. Thank you very much as what you're doing. Thankless. Prasanna Kumar sir, thank you so much for the feedback. Very happy to know you're making use of the content which I'm sharing. So I keep regularly getting positive messages, but every time I get a positive message, I still have that nice feeling. Thank you so much. It's kind of holding on to this level. We'll see what the US market. No change, still negative. See, if this US market, like I said, if it had gone to minus 1.7, 1.6 like that, that means a pullback. Later, after removing weak players, if US market is correcting, here also more continuation we would have got. Now we are already entering somewhere near the lower level. That's okay. Sellers are strong. We will see. Just give me a second, traders. I'll be back. This market though 618 level, it did not respect. Finally, what level we have in the market here? It is 786 level. This can be the make or break level zone. If market goes below this zone, then there is going to be a smooth momentum towards the downside. Only thing is it has to break this level. By chance anyone is thinking, okay, let me take fresh entry, when market goes below this zone, you can plan for bearish trade. Whoever has entered along with me, okay, we will leave it as it is. Okay, this is the immediate buying pressure zone for us. Only buyers have to give up here. That's all we need. So we will see if buyers give up. I'll mention that here. Okay, I'm just more confident about the sellers who are sitting here. So if they are able to push the market nicely towards the downside, for us nothing to worry in this setup. Around 67 people watching the live, 41 likes. Whoever's new to the channel, support the channel by liking the video. Mention your name in the comment section so that I will announce your name. Top 5 names. See, this candle has given a closing above buying pressure zone, right? That means it might affect my setup a bit. It might try to form a W pattern and then correct. Whatever can happen, it might happen. But so fresh entry will be below this buying pressure zone. Hopefully the sellers do not let the market go up to this area. In case any re-entry opportunity, if I get also, I will consider that. This one should have gone a bit higher in recovery and then it should have corrected. Anyways, Buyers are showing some strength here. Continuation is happening. We'll see traders. After liking the video, mention your name in the comment section, traders. It will be easy for me to check and announce your name. In case market shows any bearishness for me here at this zone, another 50 quantities I will add. Okay, by chance it not hit the stop loss or things like that. It is not averaging, it is just to see if market is going. This was just a pullback to remove weak players before the correction. Like that chance is there means I will look into it. Very close to the stop loss level, that's one concern. Okay, just taken this stop loss. So good, we took less quantity. Let us see. In case there is one more final setup for me to look at. Strong buying pressure zone, it's showing some bullishness. I'm thinking of going bullish only above the seller's pressure zone, because I'm not getting that confidence about bullish setup, because market might just be removing weak players who's taken bearish trade. So let me see. Anything. Okay, this is slowly recovering. If it recovers a bit, it is from 2.5 or 2.6, it's gone for 2.2. Let it come down to 1.7, 1.8. If it comes, that would be a nice time for me to look for re-entry. Srinivas sir, thank you so much for liking the stream. Srinivas T, thank you so much sir. Mahesh Shreyas, 12th like. Okay. Raj sir, thank you so much. Anuj sir, which app are you using for crypto trading, bro? I'm using Delta Exchange. If you wish to open account with Delta Exchange, the link is there in the pinned comment. First pinned comment. You can check if you're interested. Here any slowly it is recovering. It's okay. Lakshmi Narayana Reddy sir, thank you so much for liking the live stream. Very strong traders, very strong movement from buying zone, close to 1000 points. Initial plan only was after this breakdown I'll look for buying, but looking at this candle, definitely I changed my focus to bearish trade. Still I feel the market, what it is doing right now, can be a recovery. So until the selling pressure zone breaks or sustains, it's not giving that confidence to. Okay, it's come to 2. Let it go to 1.7, 1.8 level. This is actually a nice area. 600 points is the risk. Please don't mind, I am usually comfortable with 1 minute time frame. I'll switch to that. Nice seller's pressure here. Let me see. What is the length of this? 200 points. If I take additional risk, it will be around 300 to 400 points. 400 points. The risk is decent for this trade, no problem. I'm going for a sell trade. 1 second, let me see. Okay, I'm going for sell trade here. Can I? Okay, I'm going for one more sell trade. Whoever wants, after looking at this move, you want to not give bigger stop loss for your trade, it's entirely up to you. Okay, you can avoid this setup if you wish to. Sorry, what is this? I place the order. Okay, my entry is somewhere here. My stop loss is above. Short position. Stop loss is here. Close to just 300 points is the risk. And against that, first I'll target up to this zone. Okay. How many of you entered along with me? Let me know. Attracting buyers, it is downtrend. Let it, hopefully, if it converts to downtrend, it will be good. A decent entry I have got. This one, little more, it should have recovered. That's all I wanted. Okay. Stop loss is placed, entry is placed. This is the first target. If the trend continues, we will plan for bigger target. Let market decide. 300 points is the risk. 300 points is nothing in crypto, right? Venkata Krishna sir, welcome to the live stream. Dow Jones recovering fast. It's gone up to -2 it went, then somehow it's tried to this one manage. 300 points is the risk traders, so nothing to worry in this trade for me. Anyways, for me, I'm considering this as a selling pressure zone. If market goes above the selling pressure zone, I'll turn bullish. So until then, market view is bearish to sideways itself. This seems like a sensible setup for me. I'll remove all this unnecessary things. First trade lost, now entered again. This will be my last trade for the day. Hope this works out. This is my trade also, last trade also for the day, traders. Demo. Hello sir, welcome to the live stream. According to EMA strategy, sentiment is bullish. I'm trading on a 1 hour time frame, sir, and I'm not looking at EMA as of now. If this is a loss, I'll give the loss and I will exit. Shall we carry our trade for next day, or how to buy coins for long term? See, this one is a perpetual contract. Okay, that means you can hold on to this contract as long as you want. It's coming now to 1.8, 1.9. So this is a perpetual contract. You can hold on to this contract as much as you wish, as long as you want, as long as market doesn't hit your stop loss or that estimated liquidation price is there, right? until this zone, based on the capital whatever you have. This until this level you can hold on to the contract. I mean the futures trade, it doesn't have expiry. Okay, EMA strategy is saying bullish. Actually there from buying pressure zone only it has moved, right? Okay, has this recovered as much? Okay, 1.8. Now hopefully just give me a second, traders. Some of you call us during the live stream also. What to do? $1.9. Can I meet you in person? We'll have a group meeting, traders, if possible. That time we all can meet. Whoever stays in Bangalore. This entire zone is a seller's pressure zone. Okay, market is at seller's pressure zone right now. So hopefully okay, market has recovered a bit as per what I was saying from that time, right? So from here, when it falls, if it falls, okay, it would be a good correction. Yes, I'm eager to meet you, sir. Okay, sure, we all will meet. One second, traders. Oh, okay. Market has taken the stop loss for this trade. Two setups have, it's not gone opposite to the direction. Two setup has gone as per the direction. But this entire zone is selling pressure zone, traders. Was the stop loss small for this trade? SPX is looking to move up in opening gap. Oh, okay. All right, market is still at the seller's pressure zone. This was a good recovery from buying pressure area. Initial plan I did not execute. No regrets. Both the setup stop loss was small. Still views bearish itself. See, I'm looking at the market based on price action and stop loss hunting. That is saying that market is supposed to move down. So that too, it is at selling pressure zone already. So as much as possible, I'm going to avoid any bullish trade, at least for some more time. On 4-hour time frame, like there is a double top, sir. That 4-hour time frame here only you can see, right? Double top. Market is forming, that too near the selling pressure zone. Just partially come out. Fair value gaps are there in between traders. This area. This can be a reversal area. This though showing continuous bullishness, come out of seller's pressure zone. Next resistance area is at this zone. Market here, it has formed double top. These sellers have given up. Market has come above seller's pressure zone. Then global market is kind of negative. Price action is saying something else. This market is saying something else. After market coming out of the seller's pressure zone, yes, it is a bit tempting to look for buying opportunity, but somehow I'm feeling it's not right. If you are willing to enter, you can do that, but I don't feel like entering any bullish trade in the market at this point of time. It's entirely up to you. There's 1 hour, 1 minute. We go to 3 minutes time frame. This was the previous seller's area where he should have re-entered. He re-entered, allowed the market to move again. Again, maybe here again pressure can come. Only if this seller gives up, next market has potential to reach 84,000. Considering all the negativeness which is going in the market right now, will it reach 84,000 is my concern. And I'm not having the confidence to take bullish trade right now. So what to do? Market has changed character on a 5 minutes time frame. Market has changed the character here, so this will become the low of the market, and then if market corrects, there's no proper correction point for the market here. So now if the character is changed, movement will be lower high, higher low and higher high setup. See, I don't pay too much attention to, this boss or all those things, whatever people say. I eyeball the setups. Setup is not giving me confidence on the buy side. Why did you enter bearish trade? First one, see, I entered the bearish trade here. Okay, somewhere at this zone. So here it was attracting some people. So from here, if market had given a breakdown, this red candle what you see here, this sellers are strong, they will not allow the market to go above this zone. It might attract some buyers and later correct up to this zone. That was the initial plan. But quickly what I realized was, looking at this candle, not at 5 minutes, let me switch to 3 minutes or 1 minute. Here when I thought, okay, this can be the make or break level so in the market, because here it quickly it moved towards the downside, right? That's why I decided, okay, this can be a buying pressure zone. After giving breakout, some more people might enter. So of course, so much upside move even I did not expect. I thought buyers will push up to the zone and these sellers might re-enter. But as of now, market is gone above sellers pressure zone and buyers are continuously showing attraction. This is the next resistance. Ideally, if market might not respect this level, give a bigger move. I'm not getting confidence traders. Whoever wants to enter, you can enter bullish trade if you wish. I just joined Delta Exchange. Send a WhatsApp message, sir, to the number what you're seeing on the screen. WhatsApp number ending with 222. So send a WhatsApp message to that number with your Delta Exchange user ID. We will check and give you access to the crypto community group. May retest 83,500. Possibility is there. Global market is still the way how I want to take a bearish trade. It has given enough pullback, but this though is just moving towards the upside, going above ceiling pressure zone. See, I'm not going to complicate things. If my mind is saying market has less potential to move towards the upside, I'm not going to forcefully take a bullish trade looking at this move, right? So if I do that, I'm going to affect my psychology. I don't want to do that. If opportunity on the bearish side, if market is simply moving like this, I'm having no interest. If you want to take a bullish trade, it's entirely up to you, right? Because I'm not stopping anyone by not asking them not to take a bullish trade. I'm saying based on my understanding, there is no bullish setup. I can be wrong. Completely I can be wrong. Market can go up to 83,850 to 84,000 range. Simply what will happen, I will miss out on the opportunity. I'm okay to miss out on the opportunity. Already nice moments we have captured during the live market at these levels, right? The setup, these setups. Now here I'm not getting that confidence. I think reversal is at 79k. 79k is too far. Market is at 83k and you are speaking about 79k. So how much points is this? Market has broken this level, right? But immediately a wick is forming here. But I don't want to quickly jump into any trade as of now. Next area is the 83,890 to 84,000. Now here, after giving breakout, it is showing some pressure, right? So I'm not interested in bullish trade. Ethereum Ethereum is what it is forming a double top pattern here. Previously this area was resistance, it is still near that zone itself. So no, for me, I'm not able to see any bullish setup in the market right now at this zone. In Ethereum as well. Someone asked me about Ethereum, right? So sir, I think there is seller's pressure at this zone. Can we sell? Market has come out of seller's pressure zone, traders. This can act as support. And the risk for the trade is around 380 points. This is kind of okay. US market is okay. We'll give it some time. If I look for bearish trade also, the wick above has to be the stop loss. For this, at least 1:2 I have to plan, but this breakout level can become the supporting zone. If that is the case, okay, I will try my last setup for the day. Okay, I'm gonna place a sell order here, going as per my conviction. US market also 1.8%, it is down. Now reduce the risk a bit. This can act as support, traders, so anyone who doesn't want to take risk, don't enter. This is again gone to 2. Let's not take too much risk in this trade. We will keep reducing the stop loss. If this area is acting as the support level for the market next, no point in giving bigger stop loss. It might break this level also. As long as it doesn't break that level, we are okay. Venkata Krishna sir, are you raising hand or you're giving high five? I'm not getting it. Again, this level is acting as support, but hopefully it will break this time. Exacto. Entry taken, sir. Okay, cool. See, a little I'm getting disappointed only because we knew this was the buying pressure zone and things like that. I should have waited for the next setup. This setup stop loss it, that is okay. The next, and psychology somewhat it gets affected. Usually my psychology doesn't get affected, but when it gets affected, somehow I have to manage to stay away. So this is going to be the last trade for the day. Apart from this, if I'm getting any other setup, at least after 1 or 2 hours break, I will update in the group. Okay. Just show selling continuation. That's enough. Entry done, entry taken. Okay. So showing some continuation, right? So reduce your loss even more. Now for this trade, not taking risk is just 35 points. 35 points. Okay. Apart from Venkat sir, Mahesh sir, who else entered the trade? Those of you watching the live stream, support the channel traders by liking the video. It motivates me to make regular videos for you guys and also share interesting price action stop loss hunting concepts. So when market was around minus 1.6, 1.8, we took the trade. So I'm considering that as a pullback for our trade. I too have entered bearish trade. Okay, Prasanna Kumar sir. Now our stop loss, little more we will get it down. Okay. So basically the risk for this trade is just $23. Okay. Let continuation, all those things happen later. If you want, we will trail the stop loss or things like that. Now if market reverses, hit the stop loss also, nothing to worry about. Sir, you're the best, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the feedback. Me too with 20 lots. Okay. Bhuvanesh, Bhuvan sir, you missed the trade. Okay. Join the crypto community group. Next any setup is there, I will let you know. You can do that by opening account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. Have a look at that. Now I did not forcefully jump into this trade because when market was continuously bullish also I said I don't have that conviction to go for bullish trade, right? So if I enter the trade also, where to keep stop loss? It was not making sense for me. So that's why last bearish trade we had taken. If market goes as per our direction, good. I'm in on third trade. Okay. My 2SL got it. No regret. My risk over for the day. Better luck for you. Alright. Hopefully. Srinivasa. Good that you're managing your risk properly. You're sticking to just 2 trades and things like that. Very good. Congrats. I'm already part of your community group. Okay. Did you take the trade evening that we discussed? Bullish head and shoulder pattern. What is the target? Target is 82,250. So another close to 750 points, 900 points is the initial target, complete target, but already market has given movement of 200, another 700 points. 300 points movement it has given, another 600 points. Now this has to convert strong bearish. It has to go to 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. That would be great for us. Maya sir, I hope you have seen the target 82,250. Okay, sir. Okay. Those of you watching the live stream, support the channel by liking the video. It motivates me to make regular videos for you guys. Also come live. Our traders market is taking support near 382 level. Okay. This can be a buyer's pressure zone. Maybe. May not be. I'm not sure. So if you are worried about the setup, you have captured 250 points, you're happy with that, think about exiting. For me, already I've reduced my risk to maximum. Okay, so here if I take the stop loss also, it doesn't matter. Goal is always to give small stop loss to capture bigger movement, right? So if you're just thinking, okay, this trade I gave loss, this trade I gave loss, it doesn't matter, right? So all those, let's say 3 to 4 trades, you're giving small stop loss. That 1 or 2 trades that you take will recover this loss also, and it will give you more profit. Okay, so that is what you need to focus on. My bandwidth also is more. I've taken trades before I come live also. In that also we have captured 1000 points. Here 2 times I have given 300 points risk. Okay, now another 300 points we have captured already. So that's how, if you average and see net to net, today is a profitable day. Trade by trade basis, you should not calculate things. It should be at least week by week, month by month, like that you need to calculate. Okay, is it gone to 1.6? Sorry, 2.6. It's not yet. As of now, you guys would have seen around 1:1 risk reward, close to 400 points. If you're happy with that, you exit. Entirely up to you. Keen market is inside seller's pressure zone itself. So hopefully. $83,300 is the stop loss for this trade. So for my entry point, I'd be taking around 160 to 180 points is the maximum risk. Again, this is fine. Let this switch to 1 minute. See, from lower, if you see, market is taking support near 0.5 level 382 level range, and it is holding on to that level. And from top, market is trying to hold a 0.3 level somewhere here. So there is indecision between the buyers and sellers. In this setup, if market is taking the stop loss, that's it. I'm done for the day. Not going to look at the market also. Okay, market has taken this stop loss. That means psychology is not working properly today, so I'm going to close. We'll try tomorrow. Yeah, we'll try tomorrow. Maybe after 1 or 2 hours also, if there is a setup, I will try. Anyways, thank you for participating in the live stream. We'll look for better opportunities, traders. Maybe in the group I will update, or tomorrow morning I'll share in the group. Okay, it's okay. Small stop losses we have given to capture bigger movement. No problem. Thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. Have a good night. Bye bye. Relax. I have no worry about this trade. All net to net we are profitable itself today. We'll see. Okay. All right, traders. Thank you for participating. Bye.